Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Ryobi 4ah battery is probably one of the most essential power tool accessories for any DIY enthusiast or professional tradesperson, offering a significant upgrade in runtime and performance over smaller capacity batteries. This 4.0 amp-hour lithium-ion powerhouse is designed to keep your Ryobi 18V1 Plus tools running longer, allowing you to tackle bigger projects without the constant interruption of battery swaps. Whether you're cutting, drilling, sanding, or blowing, this battery provides the consistent energy output needed to maximize efficiency and productivity, making it a worthwhile investment for anyone serious about their tools. Number 5. 2-pack 7.0 Ah P108 Lithium Replacement for Ryobi Battery 18V. Experience extended runtime with our high-capacity 7.0 Ah batteries. They provide the power you need for longer working sessions. These batteries are designed to work seamlessly with a wide range of Ryobi 18V tools. From drills to saws, they offer versatile power. Ideal for general DIY and light professional tasks, they ensure reliable performance. Get the job done efficiently with dependable power. For maximum longevity, ensure a full charge before the first use. Following recommended charging practices will help maintain battery health. We stand by our product with a 12-month after-sales service. If you encounter any issues, our dedicated 7*24-hour support is ready to assist you. What we like. Get more for your money with this 2-pack of high-capacity batteries. If you have multiple Ryobi 18V tools and need consistent power for extended periods, this is a great value. It's ideal for DIYers and light professional tasks where you don't want to be constantly swapping batteries. What people say. The battery life is excellent for extended use. It charges quickly, minimizing downtime. The 4.0 Ah capacity provides ample power for demanding tools. Number 4. Ryobi ONE Plus 18V 4.0 Ah battery. Introducing the Ryobi ONE Plus 18V 4.0 Ah battery. Experience up to 3 times the runtime compared to the standard 1.5 Ah battery, perfect for tackling longer projects without interruption. This battery is designed to keep you going. Its extended capacity means fewer recharges and more time spent working on your tasks. Never guess your power level again. The integrated LED fuel gauge clearly displays the remaining charge at a glance, so you always know how much power you have left. Designed for comfort and ease of use, its compact and lightweight construction reduces fatigue during extended operation. You get powerful performance without the extra weight. Built to withstand tough conditions, its impact-resistant construction protects against drops and job site wear. Enjoy fade-free power, even in extreme temperatures. This battery is part of the versatile Ryobi ONE Plus system. It works seamlessly with over 225 Ryobi ONE Plus 18V tools and chargers, offering you expandable cordless power. What we like. Experience significantly longer work sessions with this battery, offering up to 3 times the runtime of smaller options. If you're tackling longer projects or simply hate frequent recharges, the integrated fuel gauge helps you manage your power. Its lightweight build makes it comfortable for extended use. What people say. Quick charge and long-lasting. Push-button life indicator is brilliant and essential. Works great, quick to charge, easy to use and lasts. Worked with my Ryobi 18 Plus tools. My existing charger was compatible. Number 3. Ryobi P197 18V 4.0 Ah lithium-ion battery. Experience the robust power of our 18-volt lithium-ion battery. It's designed to deliver consistent and reliable performance for all your Ryobi tools. With a high charge capacity of 4.0 amp-hours, this battery provides extended runtime. You can get more done on a single charge, reducing downtime. Keep track of your power levels with the convenient 4-stage battery charge status indicator. Know exactly how much charge is left at a glance. This battery is engineered for faster recharging, getting you back to work quickly. It's compatible with Ryobi 18V dual chemistry chargers. Your safety is paramount. This battery is UL listed, ensuring it meets strict safety and quality standards for your peace of mind. This is a compatible replacement for your P108 battery. It offers the same great performance and reliability you expect from Ryobi products. What we like. This battery offers a good balance of capacity and recharge speed. If you need a reliable 4.0Ah option that gets back to full power relatively quickly, this is a solid choice. The multi-stage fuel gauge is also a practical feature for monitoring its status. What people say. The battery life is excellent, lasting for a long time on a single charge. It charges quickly, so I can get back to work without much downtime. The 4Ah capacity provides ample power for demanding tools, making them perform at their best. Number 2. RYOBI 18V 1 plus 4.0Ah battery 2-pack. Introducing the RYOBI 18V 1 plus high-capacity battery. Get the power you need to tackle any task. With 4.0Ah of capacity, these batteries provide extended runtime. Spend less time charging and more time working. Experience consistent and reliable performance for all your Ryobi ONE Plus tools. These high-capacity batteries are built to last. This 2-pack ensures you always have a charged battery ready to go. Keep your workflow uninterrupted. These are the essential power source for your RYOBI 18V 1 Plus tools. Upgrade your experience with high capacity. What we like. This 2-pack of high-capacity 4.0Ah batteries is perfect for users invested in the Ryobi ONE Plus system. If you frequently use your tools and want to ensure you always have a charged backup ready to go, this pack provides excellent value and extended power for your projects. What people say. The battery life is excellent, lasting for a long time on a single charge. It charges quickly, so you can get back to work without much downtime. The 4.0Ah capacity provides ample power for demanding tools. Number 1. Ryobi P1084 4ah 1 Plus High-Capacity Lithium-ion Battery. Introducing the Ryobi P1084 4ah 1 Plus High-Capacity Lithium-ion Battery. This powerful battery is designed to keep your tools running longer. It's compatible with the entire Ryobi ONE Plus system. You can use it with your cordless routers, saws, blowers, and many other tools. Experience more power with this high-capacity battery. It holds over 4 times more power than smaller models, giving you extended runtime. Don't let a low battery slow you down. This battery can be fully charged in as little as 1 hour. Always know your power level with the onboard fuel gauge. Check how much charge is left before you need to recharge. Enjoy fade-free power that works at full strength until it's depleted. Your tools won't slow down when you need them most. What we like. Enjoy consistent, full-strength power throughout your work with this high-capacity battery. If you need a reliable single battery that charges quickly and maintains performance without fading, this is an excellent option. It's ideal for users who want dependable power for demanding tasks without interruption. What people say. The battery has a good runtime for its size. It charges relatively quickly, which is convenient for extended use. The 4.0Ah capacity provides ample power for most Ryobi 18V tools. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.